Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. So we're gonna go ahead and do a spring Easter haul real quick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. First off, I want to say thank you to the person who made a comment on my office makeover video. She mentioned that I need to get some greenery. Hopefully she is watching this video. So I did want to just show you guys that I did get some greenery for the office. So these two plants and this one over here, they are going to go in the office. So I had never thought about putting greenery in anywhere because I've just never been into that, but it actually looks nice. I did get this little Easter tree. I have been seeing this on Pinterest and I found these at Home Goods. So I am so excited I got these. So I'm gonna decorate with those. I found these two Easter eggs at Home Goods also. I believe I'm going to put these on my tablescape, and of course I'll do a video for you guys to show you how that turned out. I got these pillows from Home Goods. The only reason why I got these pillows is because I love the texture of them. I have a lot of the inserts in the pillow. I have a lot of those and I didn't want to buy any more. But when I saw these pillows and the texture, I was like, I have to go ahead and get these because I did look on Amazon and I couldn't find any. So I just went ahead and bought these. But I am really trying not to buy pillows anymore because I have so many pillows. So you guys are gonna see me bending down a lot because I got a lot of stuff on the floor here. I got this Easter sign from Ross. This Easter sign was $10.99. You guys, I will have the stuff that I got from Amazon in the description box. Of course, you guys know how it is when you shop at Home Goods and Ross. When you find it, you just need to pick it up. I did get this stuff recently and they did have some more left after that. So this is I bought this stuff probably a week and a half ago. So I'm sure they still got a lot of this stuff at Ross and Home Goods, but this is from Ross. This little cute little chickens or chickies or whatever you want to call it. This came from Ross also. This was $7.99. I got this cute set of bunnies from Home Goods. You guys, I thought this was so cute and I know Chloe's gonna like it. Thought it was cute, so I went ahead and bought this. This little bunny set was $16.99. I tell you guys the prices because I know for me when I'm watching hauls or videos, I kind of like to know the price. Thought maybe you guys would like it if I can tell you the price of the items. I got a couple bags of these. These came from Walmart. They are $1.99 for 6. And I love these eggs because I'm trying to find one that's open. I love these eggs because they have glitter on them. So I love these. I'm gonna actually use these. I believe I'm gonna use these in the middle of my tablescape. I can't wait for you guys to see the tablescape, the Easter or spring tablescape that I'm gonna do. Those came from Walmart. These little cuties came from Ross. I can't remember how much these were because Chloe has already been playing with these like dolls. She loves these so much. I did get some flowers. I'm trying to show you guys everything I got from Home Goods and Ross before I start on the Amazon stuff. I got this from Home Goods. I've been seeing this on Pinterest and how people decorate different seasons with this tray, so I decided to get one. So I can't wait to see what I'm going to do. I don't know exactly how I'm going to decorate, but I'm going to decorate using this. All right, guys. I got a dozen of these tablecloths, or table napkins, I'm sorry. This is how it looks. And it's a cute pale pink. And they did come in a 12-pack. I cannot remember the prices for all this stuff I got from Amazon, but of course I will link all this stuff below. These are so cute, and I love the color pink on it. Oops. I got these pillowcases from Amazon. These are 20 by 20. I'll put it up to me so you guys can kind of see the size. They are turquoise pillowcases or pillow covers. And I did get a blanket, a throw to go with it. I can't remember the size of this, but I did get this off of Amazon. So I'm going to put this in the family room, so I will show you guys that also in my spring cleaning video. And this is how it looks on the back. And it's just kind of velvet, soft. You guys can use it either this way, which I think is cute also, or you can use it this way, however you want to use it. I thought those were really cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that color or this color because I love this yellow. It's a really pale yellow. I did buy a set before that and it looked like mustard. I personally just don't like that look. So these are yellow. I just think these will be really cute for Easter. And this is how it looks on the back. And I got two of these and they are both, let me put it up to me, hopefully you guys can see it, 20 by 20. I got a throw in the same color. That's how it looks. And of course you can do the same thing this way or this way. Just depends on your taste. And this is so pretty, light yellow. Oh, I love this. I really love this. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this for the summer or for the spring, Easter. I don't know. I also have another set of pillows and a throw blanket that are kind of that rose pink color. I actually forgot to grab it, so we'll just go with it. So I actually don't know which color I'm going to use for my spring decor. And this is a table runner. I got this off of Amazon also. I can't remember the size, but I will of course link it in the description box. But I got this to go in the middle of the table, and that's gonna go with the napkins. I thought that was so cute. I'm so excited. You guys know I am excited about doing my spring haul, spring cleaning. You guys stay tuned for all that. I'm also going to be decorating my new cabinets. If you guys haven't watched the install, I will link that up top for you guys to watch that. Also, one more thing, guys. I did get a steamer. If you guys remember in my bathroom video, I told you guys that I usually get my curtains from IKEA just because they're cheap. I can bleach them because sometimes they're a little bit, I would say, on the yellow side. Not yellow like the yellow I showed you guys. But what I usually do with the curtains, I bleach them. And I just bleach them to the color that I need them to be. And of course, when I take them out, they're all wrinkled. So I had a handheld steamer and it didn't do the job. So I bought this off of Amazon. And one of my friends, she has one of these. And I saw this at her house. So that's why I got this. And it has good reviews on Amazon. So I will link this also. I will also do a video and show you guys how I use this. I actually cannot wait to use this. So this is the last thing I did buy. And you guys, I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to stop in real quick and show you guys what I got for Easter. So that way I can go ahead and get ready to decorate. Again, I will link everything I can link in the description box. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.